Hey guys, Louis Cuevas here with MakeNorthTexasHome.com and Remax Cross Country, and today I wanted to talk to you about mortgage lenders. So let's talk briefly about mortgage lenders. Now, mortgage lenders are, in my opinion, underappreciated in what it is they do during the transaction. Now, oftentimes when the consumer may be thinking about picking a mortgage lender, the biggest, and I understand the biggest concern for them maybe is what's my interest rate going to be and what are the fees. Now, I totally get it. That's a fair questions to be asking. But as a real estate agent, I would advise you to know that they do much more than that. Today, you can go online, type in a little bit of information, and get a pre-qualification spit back to you with an interest rate and some fees. The key and the difference is, can they make it happen in the amount of time to be competitive? Will they be communicating with you and myself, the real estate agent? Will they keep us updated? And that's where, in my opinion, a true good loan officer and mortgage company separate themselves from the rest. And I'll give you some examples and some things to think about. They have to be available on the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, and in the evenings. And why is that important? Because more than likely you work probably a normal 9 to 5, and 5:30, 6:30, 7, 8 is when you're looking at a home or maybe putting an offer together. So if we've got questions, that loan officer should be available. If it's Saturday morning, if it's Saturday afternoon, or even on Sunday. And that's very important. If you've got a big box lender that's only available 9 to 5, how can you reach out to them if you've got a question on the weekend? I'll give you another insider tip that a lot of people don't think about. When I'm the listing agent, and I know other listing agents do this, when I'm the listing agent and I've got 5, 10, 15 offers, and I've got some that are pretty close or competitive, I'll reach out to that loan officer, whoever the buyer is, their loan officer, to say, hey, have you checked this? Have you checked that? How do you feel about the loan? Can you meet these terms, etc.? And if you've got a loan officer who's available, that shouldn't be a problem. But if you've got a lender who only is open from 9 to 5, you're probably not going to be very competitive. And remember, we're in a very competitive market right now. I like to recommend the lenders that I work with. You don't have to work with them, but I recommend them simply because I trust that they're going to give you a competitive interest rate, competitive fees, but above all, very good service and availability being a big part of that. To me, that's really key. And I'll tell you, there are listing agents that if you've got a big box lender or even an online lender whose availability is limited, they won't accept your offer just based on that, even if the numbers are good. Why? Because how good is an offer if you don't feel that confident about the lender behind it? So just some things to think about. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to give me a call. I hope you learned a thing or two, and hope the video was of interest. And maybe you thought about a few things that you hadn't thought about before. But thank you so much for watching. Now, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Make North Texas Home, or you can check out more videos on my website, which is MakeNorthTexasHome.com. Thank you so much.